Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. The other day I got an email from Mumbai. Sir, whatever you are speaking in your videos, in YouTube, all the things I know, please speak little more advanced than that. My dear friends, I have to tell you something very interesting. Why I am covering so basic things in my video. In Karnataka and all over the country, people who are in stock market are only 2 to 3%. That means all over India, there are only maximum 3 to 4 crore people who are in stock markets. Rest of the people have no idea about stock market. I want to concentrate on those people somewhere around 121 crores who don't even know about stock market, so that they get some idea, so that our financial education will go up, so that our financial independence will go up, so that our prosperity will go up. Our knowledge about stock market is quite basic. I will tell you the story. In one of the videos, I told that Reliance Industries is going up. Then somebody commented, 2-3 people commented, sir, Reliance is going down every day. Reliance is going down every day. Then I understood that these people are commenting like that. They have no idea about Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries is going up every day. Anil Ambani also has the same name, Reliance. For example, his companies are Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Power, Reliance Communication, Reliance Capital, Reliance Naval and Engineers. These are the companies which are going down day by day. I'm giving one more example because people have no basic idea about stock market. If I talk about Z of stock market, you start wondering what I'm speaking. For example, when I was conducting the workshop in Dubai about 8 years back, I told all the participants that they must buy Maruti every month. After 1 year, somebody sent me one email. Sir, I am buying Maruti. Every month it is coming down. Then I asked him, which Maruti? He said, Maruti Syntex, sir. My dear friends, when I am talking about Maruti, it has to be the famous company, Maruti Suzuki. People don't have idea. That is why I am covering in my videos the most basic. Once I know people are educated, then I start speaking little more complicated. But if you look at my videos, there are more than 60 of them. You'll be surprised. In many of them, I've been speaking about advanced concept. Some people buy 30-40 shares of some unknown company, paying 5,000, 6,000 rupees, like Dum Dum Engineering, Tum Tum Couriers. And then they start sending the comments and email to me. Sir, can you do the fundamental analysis of that particular company? What is his investment? 5,000 rupees. You are supposed to buy a stock after doing fundamental analysis, not buy and then do fundamental analysis. First do fundamental analysis and then buy. So very important to note. Quite a number of people are sending in the comments, sir, markets have fallen because of Corona and market has not picked up at all. To remove your doubt, to remove your confusion, today I am making a video only on that. For example, highest point of Nifty was 29th January 2020, 12,430. Started falling from 29th January, slowly and slowly, heavily from February 24th onwards. Lowest point was 24th March 2020, and that was 7,511 points. Can you see? 12,430 points became 7,511 in approximately 1 month. My dear friends, why does it fall so rapidly? Gravity. Why does it go very slowly? Gravity again. Today, I made a tabular column of one set of 24 stocks randomly selected. It doesn't mean that I'm telling them you buy those 24 shares. I'm just giving an idea about how the stock market has gone up after it has fallen so drastically. And you'll be surprised. Look at the list, make a note, and you can pause the video, make a note of it if you want to in a piece of paper. TCS on 29/1/20, 2,306. 24/3/2020, lowest Nifty, 1,703. Price on 13/10, that is recently, is 2,826, a raise of 66% from the lowest. Reliance Industries 1,466, 935 the lowest, and price on 13/10 2,280, and raise of 144%. Infosys 96% raise. HDFC 29%. HDFC Bank 56%. ITC 13%. Dr. Reddy's 81% recovered from the low. HUL 5%. Tata Motors 94%. L&T 27%. Asian Paint 35%. Titan 70%. Bajaj Finance 32% raise. ACC 61%. Dabur 28%. Godrej Consumer 61%. DLF 28%. Avenue Supermarket 9%. Havells 43%. Berger Paint 43%. Muthoot Finance 121%. Biocon 67%. Divi's Lab 64%. Colgate 29%. Recovery from the lowest. This is for your information so that you know and distinguish which companies have gone down, which company has gone up, which company has recovered, which company is yet to recover, and keep this information with you in a piece of paper so that you will have time to ponder and think about the shares. My dear friends, if you like this video, please press the like button. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute YouTube channel, this is the time to become member by pressing the subscribe button and bell icon. If you find this video useful, kindly type useful in the comment section so that we feel very happy that you got some information from my side which may be useful for you. And then share this video, because in India more than 121 crore people have no idea about stock market. If more and more people join stock market, there will be stability in the stock market, Indian economy will improve, and at the same time financial literacy is improved. That's why my suggestion, it doesn't cost you anything to forward it to people. Forward it to at least 100 people so that they also become benefited and they also become educated about stock market. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye-bye.